Hello guys, and welcome to DTW tutorials. Welcome. So in this video I'm going to be showing you again how to access your JAMB caps. That's your JAMB portal. Okay, how to access it. Okay, so all you need to do is you come to this website, this address on your Chrome browser. Sorry. Okay, efacility.gov.ng efacility.jamb.gov.ng. okay, I hope you saw that clearly. All right, if you want to get there, you can always come to your JAMB. When you click on caps, it will take you here. Okay, so all you need to do is put your email. Now when you registered, I'm not going to show my I'm not going to, I wanted to use someone else's email, but I'm not going to do that, okay, for privacy issues. All right, so when you registered, JAMB sent you an email that contains your password. Okay, so it sent you the email to that email you use in registration that contains your password. So that is what you use. You put it that email here and put the password that JAMB sent you. You are not putting the Gmail password or whichever email you use, whether it's Gmail or Yahoo or iCloud. It is not the password that you put here. It is what JAMB sent to you that you put here as password. All right, and if maybe you didn't receive the mail from JAMB and your email is correct, when you registered, you find your final print is correct, all you need to do is click here, forgot password. Don't click reset. Reset means that you know the password, you want to change it. All right, click forgot, and please don't come and click here create account. No, your account has already been created by JAMB. Don't come here and don't, people that always, I don't know where some students will read and say you should go and create account. No, your account has been created with that email you used to register. So all you need to do is come here, use the email and use the password. If you didn't receive any mail, all you need to do is click forgot password, and it will give you some prompts. It will say enter your email. Let me even quickly click it and you see what it will say. It will say enter your email. Are you with me? And all you need to do is just click okay, password reset, and it will send you another email to that particular email you use. If you're having problems of you use, maybe they made a mistake when registering your email, or you lost access to that email, you need a unique URL code, okay, link, that you can use to access your portal. There's a solution, so contact me. My WhatsApp details is in a profile bio. Contact me for that, okay, at a fee. All right, now why is it important to access your portal? Because that is where you are going to upload your O-level result, be it WAEC, NECO or NAPTEC, okay, and that's where you're also going to accept admission. If you want to upload your WAEC O-level result, contact me. We do that at a fee. All right, so we can do that online, and this is also where you do your change of institution, change of course, when the portal is activated for all these things. Now change of institution, change of course cannot be done online. Don't let anyone deceive you that it's done online. It can't be done online. You have to go to a CBT center and they will use your thumbprint, okay, to change your course and change your institution. Okay, so this is how, let's go back. This is how you would access your login, access your JAMB caps, your portal. Okay, that's where you see everything. Don't worry, when JAMB releases result on the portal, I will let you know. We also help students check. I will show you where to go and check. I will also show you where to go and check for admission, accept admission. I will do all those videos for you. So make sure you are subscribed to our channel, follow us, and do join our WhatsApp channel so you are updated of your post-UME, your school's post-UME, the cutoff mark, every details of every university in Nigeria. Please don't just stay in isolation. Join groups and be informed. Join DTW WhatsApp channel. The link is in our profile bio. Click on it, you see the channel. Join us so you are informed. And you can always come to DTW website. When you come to DTW website, you see information of schools. Okay, you're going to see information of several schools that we've been putting on our website, and you read. You can search. You use this search bar here. Search for your school. All right, so this is how you access your JAMB portal. All right, so you just put that email and password. If you forgot your password, all you need to do is click here. You saw what happened, and follow. Please do not come here and put account, no, and create account. No, your account has already been created when you registered. All right, thank you. Please do make sure you share this video to help someone. All right, so don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Please do give your life to Christ, for he's the way, the truth, and he's the life. You are blessed and destined to win. See you in our next video.